Are you eager to expand your Roku experience with more channels? Here's how you can add IPTV. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on integrating IPTV with your Roku device effortlessly. We'll guide you through using our recommended IPTV provider, 2tv.store, renowned for its service. First, you need to set up your Roku for screen mirroring mode. This is where it all starts. Next, you'll download an IPTV player app on your smart device. Connect everything seamlessly. Install the IPTV app and enter login details from 2tv.store. You're halfway through this setup. Open the Roku settings and select your device name for screen mirroring. Such an easy setup. Once mirrored, launch the IPTV app and enjoy a variety of channels through your Roku device. Explore an assortment of live TV, sports, and more with the smooth interface of 2tv.store. Enjoy this hassle-free setup and enriched viewing with 2tv.store's fast channel offerings. Thank you for discovering new streaming boundaries. Subscribe for more tips. Use 2tv.store.